Today we are about drawing a few of logos, brand logos. Now, like this is a HP logo. Now, HP logo is a laptop brand, as well as other brands. That is Dell. We have a number of brands, and today we want to draw specifically the HP logo. Yes, I want to draw this HP logo both in isometric and in 2D and in 3D. Now, to start the drawing, we are going to start with doing the page setup. In page setup, we start with units. We set precision to 0.0. Scale we set to millimeters. Then we set the limits. Limits we set from 0 to 0.0, that is for the lower limit, 0.0, then to the upper limit is 297,210. That is for the upper limit. Then you zoom all. After that, you have set your page ready for the drawing of the 2D in the 2D drawing. That is, now to draw this, we are going to use the dimensions given here. So the first, we are going to draw these parallel lines. The parallel lines of a distance of 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, alternating like that. So we have 10 starting and ending, and the totals for 10 are 4, meaning the totals for 7 are 3. So the total distance for this, we are going to approximate, of which we are going to use a 150. So use a line. After using a line, have your ortho mode on. Then draw your lines. Have it to 150. So after this, you are going to copy it. Copy that line. Copy it to, copy it to a distance of the first one is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 10 is 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. 34 plus 10 is 44. 44 plus 7 is 51. At 51 plus 10 is 61. Well, I hope we now have 10, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is well done. So after this, the next thing that we do is we are going to have this to the midpoint. We have the midpoint. You're going to have the midpoint we're going to have it the midpoint. So the first thing is we are going to rotate this to an angle of 76. So rotate the whole of this, rotate it to an angle of 76, an angle of 76. So rotate the base point, choose this, rotate to an angle of 76. Good. After rotating to an angle of 76, then it is moved. When you look at this, there is a distance here from the center to this, to the first line of 1.5. That distance we are going to move that. So move that, to a distance of 1.5. Good. Sorry. We are going to move. Yes, if you check here, we are going to have a different center of the circle and the center of displacement. So we are going to draw a circle, draw a circle of diameter 96, a circle of diameter 96. Diameter 98 as stated. Circle of diameter 98, thank you. 98. Then after that we are going to move these. We are going to move them to a distance of 1.5. Move. To a distance of 1.5. Good, we have it here. So from that we are going to again have lines, the horizontal line from the center, horizontal line of the center, and 1.5 from the center, 98. Then with this, copy it from the center to a distance of 21.5 as indicated there. After that, we are going to copy it again to a distance. Now we'll copy the other one to a distance of 6.5 and a distance of 42.8. We will copy this to a distance indicated 6.5 and 42.8, a distance of 6.2, six point five, and another one 42.8 as indicated, 42.8, 42.8. Now the one for 42.8 as indicated, we are going to have it up to a distance of 6.5. Again, copy to a distance of 6.5. Then after that, we are going to now have the edges. We are going to trim and have the edges. And now the first corner is this, that is having a diameter of 6. This is a diameter of 5. This is a radius of 5, so we are going to pick it. We are going to have a fillet of radius r and radius of 5. So this is the first line, then the second line. So we have the first done. Then we proceed to the second, which is also below. So this is also of the same radius, so we get the fillet of R5, and we pick the lines we want, and that is done. So that is done. After that, we have this. Here we are going to have fillet. We are going to have fillet of R5. So pick this and this, then escape first, trim that it may not go with the others. Well, good. Good. So at this moment we are going to have fillet, of R5, and the fillet we have at this point and at this point. That is well done. That is well done. The next thing we are going to have the next thing at these points. So now the main work that we have remaining is trimming. That is now the main work that is pending. Well, now this we are creating an HP logo. Well, this is an HP logo we are creating. So good. Good. Well, after that we still continue to trim such that we have this. And then have this. We are going to extend that line and delete these, delete those. So there, remember, we have P ready, we have P ready, we have P ready. We continue trimming, trim. Well. Good. So at this point we delete all the unnecessary, we trim, and delete where there needs to be trimming, we trim, and where there is need for deleting, we delete, like this. You trim it off and delete this. Delete this. And lastly, we trim this and this. So with this, we have our HP logo ready. We have HP logo ready. We have HP logo ready. So this, if you check on your HP, if you have a HP laptop, you'll find it is like this. Now check in the next video, you'll find continuation of this to the 3D same logo. Thank you.